Hello lovely people, my name is Qwiki and I'm here to introduce you to the Qwiki BulkSMS software. The application is developed and designed by nirdtdeq. It is meant to help you send bulk messages to your clients, your church members, students, parents, etc. at a single click. The interface is redesigned to help you navigate the software at ease. It has several features, but for now, I'm going to introduce you to the current two features it has. The main page, which helps you to send messages at a go, and the phone book or the contacts. At the phone book, you'll be able to store contacts here based on category or groups. For example, I'll click on settings, then add a category. So I'm going to add a category as students. Then I'll click create category to create. Then I'll come to contacts. Here I can add new students. Then the telephone contact for that particular student. Now, I can select category here as a student, then click add. I refresh and Kwame Jan have been saved automatically. In case there is a contact that went wrong and you want to delete, you can just select that particular contact and delete. It has been deleted successfully. Let's come back to the home. Here, in case you want to send message to a particular category, maybe students, you can choose from here. If I select students, the number will automatically be added. If I select family, it will also be added. So this makes it much easier if you have contacts stored on the software. If you do not have contacts stored, then you can add new contacts. Now, before you be able to use the software, you need to configure the software. In order to configure the software, you will need a secret key or a private key. That private key is to guarantee you that you will be able to send messages straight from your software. The private key will be generated by our company and sent to you. It is a special key to identify you so that you will be able to purchase SMS units. SMS units will help you to be able to send messages. Without the SMS units, you won't be able to send messages across. So you click on the icon here, the cat icon. You open the configuration model, and then here you insert your private key. That is the Qwiki private key that will be sent to you. For instance, let's assume my private key is this. You click on set. You will receive a notification that it has been saved. You can click on done. Now you can send your message just by typing a contact. Then here you insert your message. When you're done, you can click on send to send your message. Always remember that the message box can take 160 characters. If it exceeds 160 characters, it is going to create what we call a message page. Now, a message page creates additional costs If it counts up to 160, then it is termed as a 1 unit message. But if it exceeds 160 characters, even if it is 161, it will create additional page, which will see the message as 2 units instead of 1 unit. When you are done, here we have the sender ID section. You want to send customized name message to your individuals. So for instance, I can put in here nirdtdeq. It also shouldn't exceed 11 characters. If I click on send, it will be able to send a message to the number here. You can create any sender ID you want, but always make sure that the sender ID you are using is not any verified business name. For fraudulent activity's sake, if you send anything that is not registered within your name, it will be blocked. For instance, you cannot send any message using MTN Ghana, it will be blocked. You cannot send any message as Bayport, it will be blocked. You cannot send messages with companies that are verified name. So always make sure the name you're going to use for your sender ID is legit. Thank you. If you have any problems or any issues, just contact our line on 020-899-1483. If you want to chat us on WhatsApp, contact us via 0596-109731 and we will be ready to assist you. If you want it for your business, we also have to customize it for you. We are free to do so for you. Thank you.